Hello sir, my name is Durgesh Mahajan and my enrollment number is 220-614-2000 and 357, and my topic is customer based brand equity. So introduction. So customer based brand equity is the built on concept that to build a strong brand. It is important to understand how the customer think and feel about your product. For a customers to love your product, you must build pleasant experience around your brand. If they experience positive thoughts, opinion, feelings, and perception about your product, then it signals positive brand equity. Customer based brand equity shows the power of customers' attitude towards a brand and how it can lead to success or failure of a brand. It emphasizes laying a strong foundation that can create positive attitude towards brand. Customer based brand equity is built on five important elements like value, performance, trust, social image, and commitment. It is important to understand that these elements are in the minds of our customers, and hence brand should build strategy to build this permanently in minds of customers. It should start by establishing a relationship with the customer's needs and the product offering. When customer feels that the product is best for his need, the relationship start. This can be built to be rising awareness about your product. Once the customer knows about your product, it is important to deliver quality and reliable performance every time. This is important to get deep rooted imprint about your brand and its customer mind. Once this is achieved, it can be further enhanced by using attracting packaging, excellent customer services, and colorful logo and visual advertising. The final stage is to create an emotional bond with the customer by giving special offer and discounts. The increases emotional responses thereby creating a strong relationship with the brand. So basically, we are going through customer based brand equity model. So the first of all, the most popular customer based brand equity model is the Keller model, which was designed by Kevin Lane Keller, professor of marketing, and was published in his book Strategic Brand Management. The customer based brand equity model is based on a pyramid that explains way to build strong brand equity by focusing on understanding customers and designating their strategies based on the customers. When there is strong connection between brand and its customer, it gives rise to positive brand equity. The Keller model uses a pyramid to show the different level of building brand equity, where the company has to understand the customers and shaping their strategy accordingly. The first level of the customer based brand equity is the brand identify identity. So this is the first stage where you need to create brand awareness. In this stage, people do not identify your brand and cannot difference your brand from other brands. Hence, it is necessary to build a strong identity by telling people about your brand. Since it is the most significant step, it's from the base of the pyramid. This shows that it is important to build a very strong identity from the start so that you can build upon it. The second level of customer based brand equity is the brand meaning. After a brand has been able to capture that attention of the customers, it is the next step for the brand to provide more information about the product to its user. Consumer wants to know more about the usage, the problems that it can solve, how to use the product, etc. In this stage, the customer wants to know more about the brand. Brand performance and brand imagery are two parts of brand meaning. So first part is brand performance. Brand performance is the most important aspect that can break or build a brand. Many famous brands such as Apple, Google, Microsoft, etc. have built great brand equity due to their extraordinary performance. And second part is brand imagery. Brand imagery is the image that customer perceive about a brand. Customer have picture of brand, and this comes due to how they want the product to be. For example, customer expect a car brand to luxurious and comfortable, while for a domestic brand, the customer perceive is to be glamorous or beautiful. There are various model to analyze customer behavior, most popular being the Kano model and critical to quality 3. Insight from this analysis can be used to build a high performing product. The third level of customer based brand equity is brand response. The customer have a certain expectation from a brand, and when it meets a expectation, the customer is happy and shows positive feeling. In case the brand is able to go beyond the expectation of a customer, the brand will be able to create delight in the minds of a customer. This will be leads to recommendation that will spread the word in the market. It is important to know what factors delight a customer. This will help a brand to work further on this factor to gain an edge over the competition. The last level of customer based brand equity is brand resonance, like brand relationship. The final and the most difficult stage is brand resonance. This is a stage where a brand the customer has built a strong relationship. This is a state where customers are highly engaged with the brand and they are ready to participate in online forums, social media, similar communities, and any events relating to the brand. Customers are ready to recommend it, the brand and their friends and family, and they are not ready to accept any other product other than the brand. This is the most difficult stage to achieve. For example, people who use Apple product do not switch any other brand as they feel deeply associated with it. Even when the prices are high, they still stick to their favorite brand and benefit of customer based brand equity. One of the most valuable assets from a company is something that you can't see or touch but can be only flat. It's the brand. A brand is a critical for the success of a company as it depicts the customer feelings toward a product. The benefits is a strong brand creates a strong brand equity as it allows a company to charge a premium price for its product that have generated strong brand equity can also command greater respect in the market. Strong brand equity brings the advantage of easier product expansion with higher confidence. Customer based brand equity drives higher financial gain to the company. Market campaigns roll out by strong customer based brand equity is very likely to get greater responses. The increase is loyalty as the customers are ready to stay by the company due to trust they have on the company. They all are a benefit of the customer based brand equity models. Thank you, sir.